My God, 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 my God. Welcome back to Rusty Jeep. Welcome to my quarantine. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. But the good news is I'm going to be putting out a bunch more videos, so hopefully you enjoy them. Today is a video from the blast from the past. If you like fishing and you live in California, this shit's for you. There's some information at the end of the video on what I use, and I kill it with the fishing in California. So with all that being said, I'm going to start the new intro and enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Doesn't hurt you. Rusty Jeep. We're getting done with our hike through Mosquito Flats. Now that's underneath Mammoth, California. We hiked all the way. There's a bunch of lakes in a row. I am reel fishing, no fly fishing today, but we hiked all the way up to the end of Mosquito Flats, and then we hiked all the way back. What most people do is about a quarter mile that way is the trail, and it goes has inlets to the lake, and that's where everyone fishes out. What we've done on the way back is there's a bunch of little lakes that you can't see off the trail. You don't know if they're there. And as long as you do, the trail, there's actually a little bit of trails from people hiking it and backpacking and camping back here, but all you want to do is go to the top lake, and you literally can follow the rivers down and go from lake to lake to lake to lake. Takes a longer time, but it's nicer. You don't see anyone. We've seen maybe 3 people on this back trail coming all the way down. And if you went, like I said, a quarter mile that way, not even, maybe a fourth of a mile that way, they would basically be tons of people. So take the effort, go off, and then you come up to little pools like this. Now, that's a nice deep pool. River's running down. Goes into the lake over here to the left, but you don't even see the lake yet, because this is still considered the river. Right past that rock crossing, then drop down again into another lake. And I'm going to fish this right here. I'll fish a couple fishing holes down here, drop down to the next lake, and go on until we're done. This is a hidden gem. The only problem is it is getting overfished, and people come up here and just fish the hell out of it. So that's why I stopped fishing the banks of the lakes where everyone can see, and now I'm pretty much staying in the back country and fish the back lakes and then the deep pools. If you have a chance, go to Mosquito Flats. It's the highest, I should be correct, but I'm pretty much sure it's the highest trailhead in the Sierras. You're starting your trailhead at 10,000 feet. There's 2 passes, Mono Pass, and I forgot the other pass, but they're awesome passes to do for a day hike, and you can get up there, and the views from up there are great, photos, opportunities great, and just enjoy yourself. I'm going to make a couple videos on this vacation. We just finished Desolation Wilderness in Tahoe. I took a couple pictures. I'll make an off video from pictures and maybe put it all together. But I love it out there. It's great. As long as you go away from, we got a permit for Aloha Lake, and Aloha Lake is nice, but there's a lake over 2 ravines, and I'm gonna mess it up, and you're gonna get mad at me. It's either called American Lake. I'm gonna stay American Lake. Yeah, but go hike around Aloha, get to the reservoir, the dam, and then hike down. And they gild netted the whole area for fish, but don't tell them there's still a bunch of rainbow trout in there. And we're talking good eating, good sized rainbow trout. So if you see a DP, there's no fish in the damn lakes, okay? But I'm telling you right now, some great fishing up there too, okay? Have a great day. I'm gonna cast my line out, and I'm hoping that I catch something other than weeds. But it is California, so there's a good possibility I do catch some weeds, but not the weeds you're thinking. Oh, by the way, I'm using about 18-inch lead. I'm using a Sierra bobber. I don't like using lead. First, I don't use lead because of rivers, and I just never had luck with them, but I don't want to leave lead in the river either. These Sierra bobbers, they sit on the bottom, decent, not as good as lead, but the nice thing is they don't get stuck, and I started all the way up down there, came down, and I still got the same hookup system that I've had the whole time, okay? Foot to 18 inches, Sierra bobber, swivel, and I'm telling you, oh yeah, power bait. It's my little secret. Garlic bait. No other power bait. Garlic bait. Trust me on this.